Hey Rockstars, how you doing? I'm up here in the top right of your screen. Hello there. Right, in this video, I'm just going to show you how really easy it is to create a Facebook page or a business page, as I prefer to call it. Okay, Facebook keep on changing things, so next time you watch this, it may well be different. But we'll go with the latest change in Facebook. So you can do one or two things. Okay, you can one of three things in actual fact. You can go up here. When you're logged into your profile, just click on this down arrow and go to, you may well see pages. Yeah, create page down here. Just click on create page and it'll take you to it. It's simple as that. Easiest way to do it, you should have a little create button up here on the top toolbar. Just click on create and you can select your page. Okay, so just select page. And that's it, simple as that. Okay, so either determine whether or not you're a business or a brand, or a community or public figure. You know, if you want to brand yourself as you, then select public figure. But I prefer to go with business or brand, only because in the past, I mean, I've been marketing on Facebook for a number of years now, and it's easier with Facebook. It really is. There's less hoops to jump through when you start to grow your page. Okay, so that's what I prefer. So I select business or page. You obviously you can select either. Name your page, so we'll just call this like Phil's test page. Okay, now the category, you can literally type in anything. So if you're a consultant, okay, consultant agency. If you're a marketing agency, you can do all that. Marketing agency, there you go. All right, but this is what I prefer. I just type in web. So website, I select website. All right, even if you haven't got a website, I just prefer to put website. Again, just going through my experience with Facebook, it makes it easier. Okay, so I'm just going to call this Phil's test page. Delete afterwards. Okay, all right, because I think I've used Phil's test page before. So all you do is click continue. And it's really easy. They then just ask you to upload your images. Okay, so give it a second. Here we go. So add a profile picture. Now don't get this mixed up. This is not your profile page on Facebook, or your Facebook profile. This is just what they call a profile picture. It's a small picture, so it can be your logo or can be just a picture of yourself. So let's just skip that. Okay, and then add your cover photo. Cover photo is your big thing in the middle. Okay. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to get a cover photo. So all you do is you just go over to my favorite canva.com. Just make sure you sign in for a free account, and once you've signed in, you'll get to a dashboard which is similar to this. Just type in here Facebook cover. Okay, there you go, and it's perfectly optimized for the right dimensions. Okay, so just select Facebook cover, and look at how quick and easy this is. It's amazing. All right, you've got all these fabulous covers down here. All right, which you can completely optimize. All right, so look, this just loads. There's loads. All right, you can just go to town with this, right? Or you can type in up here the templates that you're looking for. Okay, so I'm just going to select that one. Okay, so let's move me up here. And then what you can do is you can just obviously amend that. So Phil's test page. I know I need an apostrophe in there, don't I? And then you can put anything in there. Yeah. What we're gonna say, entrepreneurs unite. Can't even spell it right, for goodness sake. There we are. Okay, so Phil's test page. You want to change the color of the text. Really easy up here. Hang on, let's get rid of me. Let's put me down here. Okay, then you would just click on the text color, click on any color you want. We're just going to have white. It'll show up a little bit better. There we go. All right, it's as simple as that. Look at how quick that is, and click on the arrow there. Download. Download as a PNG. It's just it's a better quality, or you can put it to a smaller JPEG. It's up to you. You can do either. Let's try JPEG. It'll be quicker up. And that is it. Look at how crazy that is. All right. So we just go back over to our page, wherever it is. There it is. Upload a cover photo, and it's the one we've just downloaded. Phil's test page. So let's see how that looks. Sometimes it doesn't upload here, which is a bit weird, but we'll see. There you go. As you can see, it hasn't uploaded. Okay. So that's not a problem. So all you do is you just go to add cover. Okay, upload photo, and wait until it comes up. Phil's test page, and bang! Look at that. How cool is that? Make sure you click save. Bingo. Okay, so let's change the picture here. So what they call the profile picture, but again, this is on your page. As you can see, you've got all your different page insights up here. Excuse me, this is like your dashboard. It's really good. Okay, it's very easy to create, and you have to set up your settings as well. I've created another video. In actual fact, what I'll do is I'll put another video below this one. I'll just show you the settings that I use, because it just makes life a lot easier rather than looking through my blog. Okay, so let's just quickly upload a photo. Phil's photos. We'll just upload one I made. There we go. I'll do. Okay, probably not the best, but that can be your logo. It can be a picture of you, anything. So it'll change now. You'll see it. There we are. Okay. All right. So in the next video below this, I'll just go through the settings and how to add a button and a couple of minor things, and then we'll get into setting up ads and setting up your ad account. Okay. I hope you found this useful. See you soon.